My honest review of this Zephyr stainless steel wine cooler, giving you that definitely modern style look. As you can see, I'm going to open the door here. Once you open the door, it does come with great lighting all throughout the cooler. It is a dual temperature, so at the top we have 51, at the bottom we have 55, so depending on what you have at the top or the bottom, whites versus reds. It does hold up to 138 different bottles, and each rack is super simple to pull out, very easy to maneuver. It's been a great addition, and we absolutely love this wine cooler. I highly recommend if you are looking for just a modern style, great addition wine cooler. It is freestanding, or like us, we have it built into our cabinetry. But yeah, I highly recommend if you are looking for a great wine cooler, especially for my wine enthusiasts.